Hello friends, how you doing today? Welcome to JumieAnne's channel. Today we're going to be making acne prone face mask that is good in protecting our skin and help with gentle wrinkle. These are what we're going to be using today. Oatmeal. It contains antioxidants. Antioxidants are substances that can prevent or slow down cell damage on the skin. Also, oatmeal is great for acne-prone skin. Rice have substances that help regenerate and stimulate new cell growth in our skin. And the ferulic acid in rice help protect the skin from free radical. Green tea. I added it because it helped to protect our skin from premature aging, which I really need. Skin redness, and it can help fight off bacteria. I use distilled water, but you can use bottled water if that's what you have on hand. I will be using minimal water because I want a concentrated mask. The water will be going on a stove to be boiled. Now that we have our boiled water, I will be adding some of it to the rice to be soaking and soak the oatmeal too. Moving on to the extracting of the content of the green tea. Because I'm trying to make a concentrated solution, I will be combining the rice water with the green tea. Then pour the combination in the soaked oatmeal to extract the goodness from it. After mixing everything together, I strain it to get the final solution. I decided to take it a notch up, of course, by adding a bit of this tincture of pink rose and glycerin for moisture. I got a bunch of these face mask sheet from Amazon. They are 50 each for like $8 or less. I will link it or get a similar one below on the description box if you're interested. This little bowl came in the pack. All I had to do is to soak the face sheet in the liquid, wait till it absorbs all the juice, but of course I try to use this spoon to help the solution penetrate as quick as possible. Voila, it's ready to be used. And here is me using it. I like the fact that I know what I'm using on my skin and the satisfaction that I made it myself. Thank you for tuning in today, and thank you for watching. Do not forget to like this video. Subscribe if you have not. See you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye bye. Mwah. XOXO. Bye.